Hey Tigers, Ms. Schwartz here. So we are going to do initial spelling deck, and I've mixed up the deck from the last time we did this. So remember, the materials you will need are a dry erase board, marker, eraser, or any blank piece of paper that you have around the house, and a writing utensil such as a pen, pencil, marker, crayon. And then the next time we do this, I'll talk about some sensory things that you can use for writing at least one day a week. So let's take a look at my screen, my little ladybug. So today I am using a blue dry erase marker. I don't know how well you can see that, but we will go through the same process. I will say the sound, I'll point to you, and I'm trying to find it. I'll point to you, and you echo the sound, name the letter, and write it. Now, make sure you're in good writing position, both feet on the floor. If you are right-handed, then your paper is tilted. I'm going to pretend this green is my paper, tilted to the right with my, tilted to the left with my left hand on top and my hand ready to write. If you are left-handed, then the pen is in your left hand. Your paper is tilted to the right with your right hand on top to keep the paper from moving. If you're using a paper, you may want to draw multiple arrows. So I'm going to use the dry erase board again today. And let me move, I think I'm going to move myself up here today. So, ready? Let's begin. O, O, L. And I need to move myself or otherwise you can't see. There we go. Now you'll be able to see. Erase or draw your next arrow. T. Erase or draw your next arrow. Again, you can slow down or speed up the YouTube video, depending what your needs are. N. 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 I keep going fast on the N for some reason. Now, as we're going through any of these videos, if there's a letter that you're having a difficult time with, message me on Google Classroom and I will go step by step again. But for most of all of you, this is a review. We've been doing this for a while now. Next letter. I. I. Good. Erase or draw your next arrow. Z. Z. S. Erase. Draw your next arrow. D. 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 Erase. Draw your next arrow. P. Erase, draw your next arrow. H. Erase, draw your next arrow. S. Remember, this exercise, we want larger letters. That's why we're not using that's why we're not using lined paper. And because we want to practice having those gross motor skills. A. Erase or draw your next arrow. Last letter. F. Erase, draw your next arrow. I bet your parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles, whoever you're staying with right now are going to be amazed at how well you know your cursive writing, and you may be a little rusty, and that's okay. Took Miss Schwartz a little bit too to get back in the swing of things. So until next time, happy handwriting. I'm going to stop my screen and I will see you soon.